This is Robert Kraft, and I'm your host on SNN Network, and we're a proud media sponsor for the upcoming Precious Metals Summit Beaver Creek, which is being held virtually this year. And joining me right now is David Quinlivan. He is the Managing Director and CEO of Ora Banda Mining. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is OBM on the ASX. David, thank you for joining me today. How you doing?
Robert, great to be here.
Great to have you. So let's start with a quick overview and history of the company, and then we'll go from there.
Yeah, sure. Just over a year ago now, Ora Banda came out of administration and was readmitted to the ASX following a capital raising to undertake a resource drilling program. So what we've done over the last year is completed about 60-odd thousand meters of drilling, produced a definitive feasibility study, just completed another $55 million capital raise to get us back into production. So we're actively targeting a return to production in Q1 of next year.
All right. That's to the point. There we go. So what would you say makes the company unique and different compared to your peers out there?
Look, I think from the developer point of view, it's our near-term production status that gives us a bit of uniqueness, and the fact that we already have a lot of infrastructure in place on our mining tenements. So we have a 1.2 million tonne processing plant. We have a large portfolio of land with some really good targets in it, and it's the near-term production capability, given the gold price of where we sit today, that I think makes us pretty unique.
And what's your background? I mean, how did you come into Ora Banda?
Look, I'm a mining engineer by background. As you can probably see from my grey hair, I've been around for a while, Robert. So I've been working with the creditors and the administrators to bring this company back out and get it back into production. So that's what we're doing. But my background is, as a mining engineer.
What do you mean grey? I see blonde. I don't know about you. So that's my father's joke. I had to give him credit for that joke.
Yeah, you're too kind.
Well, from what you can tell us, what would you say are some of the company's value catalysts now moving forward?
Look, I think it's the imminent return to production. We have our construction crews out on ground at the moment. We also have a very large prospective land tenure portfolio in Western Australia. So in the Kalgoorlie region, which is a great spot to be if you're in the gold market. And we have a reasonably large budget for exploration and resource definition works that are carrying us forward. So I think they're the main drivers for us at the moment in the value stakes. Get back to production and keep spending on the exploration drilling.
Very good. Well, with that, where can my audience find more information about Ora Banda Mining?
Look, I think the best bet for general information is via our website at orabandamining.com.au. So certainly have a look there, and if you're chasing anything else via the Australian Stock Exchange, there's all of our company public announcements are sitting there. They're also duplicated on the website, but you'll get a bit more information from us on the website.
All right. Well, with that, thank you so much for joining me today, David. I really do appreciate it. Stay safe. Good luck. I look forward to our next update.
Robert, thanks very much, and pleasure to be here.
Thank you. Again, my name is Robert Kraft. I'm your host for SNN Network. We're a proud media sponsor for the upcoming Precious Metals Summit Beaver Creek, being held virtually this year. David with Ora Banda will be presenting there, and thank you all for listening.